Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to color your black sneakers which has been faded up to a real black. You see this now? This sneakers has just faded up and the original color has been gone. So now I'm trying to recolor it to its black original. You can see here it's faded up. It's not that good. So now I'll just color it to the black one. So as we know that we have to dye our black sneakers to a permanent black one. So here are few things that we need. Actually we need you can apply this this moisturizing milk, body milk. I am using this to cover my white portion so that the dye color does not get to this white one. So I'll use this to apply the coat on it. And then I have dye with me. This is a local one, so it's wrapped in this way, but you can get it from online. You can find the reet. You can have that color from the market and you can use it. Or if you have any dye color that is available nearest to you, that is used for fabric, you can use it. As you can see here, this is a black dye color. I'm going to use it for dyeing my sneakers. And one more thing that we need is the salt. You can use any salt that we use. It's basically cooking salt. So this is used to treat the black dye color, and we will have the equal ratio of the salt and the black dye color. And also you can see this is this is containing the hot water. So now we'll take and prepare a solution. So let's take it. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of the color. I think it would be enough for 1 pair of shoes. And now I'll apply the salt. This is basically used for treating the dye. So now I'm going to add this hot water to it. As you can see that I am mixing this with a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush that we'll use to apply the color on the sneakers. Okay, I think it's mixed up now. So now first we'll apply the lotion on the white portion so that the color doesn't stick to it. See that I have wiped up all the black colors that I had in. To begin with, here we go. Now we take this black and apply smoothly. You can see here. Wipe up any extra portions at the time. So this is the way that I'll be applying to the whole shoe, and I'll show you how it looks like. You can see the difference already. This is the difference when you dry it up for not in the direct sunlight, but in the air. So as you can see, I'm getting already my hands dirty with this. And now if you see the shoes that I have colored it entirely from top to the inner side, also the bottom and all, and you can see that such kind of mistakes to happen. The dyed color gets sprinkled all over the white portion. That's why we had applied the cream on it. Now we are going to wipe it off. If we remove it, as you can see here, you can use a clean cloth to wipe it off, or the tissue works as well. Okay, it's clean now. So now you can see the differences between a dye and a not dyed shoes. So this is, I'm going to color the same. Okay, it's clean. The visible parts, the white part has been cleared with a black color on it. Now it's clean, and you can see the differences. So this is the difference between two shoes with the colored and non-colored, and now this really looks a new shoes. You can see. That's all for now. I'll just let it dry, and then it's ready to wear. Thank you.